Okay, Ski House Stratton fans, we are on the Bonafide. Ryan's on it, I'm on it. And we're going to see how it works here. And it's holding real nice on the ice. Now this is hard in spots. And I love this. This is fun. Coming in here. And I'm going to stay high because there's a lot of snow. And I can just come across it. Very powerful ski. Ryan should be coming by any minute. And he should be nailing it over right here. Here he comes.
Nice, right?
Nice ski.